Alright guys, welcome back to Home on the Hitch. We're going to take a look at this Prime Time Avenger LT today, so hit that subscribe button, don't go anywhere. Alright guys, real quick before we get started with this Avenger LT tour by Prime Time Manufacturing. If you're looking for inspiration on RV travel, tips and tricks, how to save money, reviews of campgrounds, RVs, everything RV, we'll go ahead and get started right here. Hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, hit that notification bell. That's really important so you don't miss a thing. All right, let's start this tour out. Today we are out here at Three-Way Campers in Marietta, and I'll tell you what, the pickings are bare, but they have some really nice smaller units out here. One of them is this Prime Time Avenger LT. So let's walk up here, see what we got. We're going to kind of do this on the fly. I haven't looked at this at all. So I've got a gross vehicle weight rating of 3895. And cargo, let's see, cargo is 800 pounds, 796 pounds. So basically you're looking at a dry weight of around 300 pounds on this unit. Boy, that wind is really blowing. So we're going to see how this new lavalier mic does with the... All right, so you've got a fiberglass, it looks like. You have a fiberglass front cap. So up front, you're gonna have your manual jack. Definitely wanna change that out. And your 20-pound propane tank. So with the regulator attached to the front of the camper, and that's where the battery's gonna go. And the aluminum siding all the way down the sides. Storage here. Let's see how big that is. That is pretty large storage. A lot of space in there. Again, that's probably got more storage as far as on the exterior than our open range does. All right. Gonna have manual stabilizer jacks, fully expect that. Move on down, got frameless windows. Looks like this one in the middle is an escape. What we got for tires here? Castle Rock STs. Those are 14-inch rims. So yeah, 14-inch tires. Probably going to want to swap those out for a better tire at some point. And 30-amp hookup right there for your plug. And I don't see, it's just basic. Not wet bolts or anything like that, but you would not expect that on this unit. That's interesting. Back here you got your gray tank and your black tank dump valve back here in the back corner. Cable and satellite hookup, as well as the back of your water heater. Here we got another storage door here, which is probably going to be underneath a bunk or something inside. But yeah, it's really nice, a lot of storage. Move around to the back. And again, we're looking at this at Three-Way Campers in Marietta, Georgia. Got the spare tires going to be on the rear bumper. That's going to be your outdoor shower. It is wired for a Furrion backup camera, and it's got the aluminum siding on the back of the RV. A nice awning on the front here. Trying to get out of that sun. There we go. Nice awning on the front. Down here, something that Prime Time is good about on all of their units is a low point drain. And it looks like we got a hitch tie out place for your pet so they don't run away. There's the back of your furnace there, the furnace exhaust. Outdoor speakers for entertainment. It's a little weird to have your freshwater tank fill on this side. I don't know if I've ever seen it on this side, but that's where it is. And an outdoor outlet. And that, of course, is going to be the other side of the outdoor storage. Looks like we're wired for just a solar charge. That's not for like an entire solar system, but you can take a small panel to stick in there to keep your battery charged. Power Solera awning, so very nice. So the Avenger unit is kind of near and dear to our heart because we had an Avenger 27 bunkhouse unit for our very, very first RV. All right, I haven't been inside, but we're going to step in here and see what it is. This is the Avenger LT 16 BH. So that's going to be a bunkhouse. Stepping in, first thing you're going to see is our bed here. And that's going to be like a camper queen. Nice size bed. We got some good storage. Good storage over the bed, but I wish that had some type of shock on it to keep it, keep it up there. It does not. Storage above the dinette. I got your dinette right there. That's going to make out into a bed, I'm sure, to sleep more. Large sound bar for such a small camper under here. Furrion sound bar. Gonna have storage up above, up over the sink. Furrion microwave, vent hood, and a Suburban range, 2-burner range. Looking underneath, we have storage underneath the sink as well. So these units are coming with more and more storage. Down there, you're going to have your inverter and all your AC breakers and DC breakers. Now, this is a huge Everchill. This is huge. This thing is enormous. So it's got a really big fridge. That's just awesome. I bet that is probably an electric only, but I'm not 100% sure about that, to be honest with you. But I think it is because it doesn't have any kind of vents or fins or anything in the freezer section. So I believe this is an electric only. I don't see any options on it for adjusting for gas. Bunkhouse units, so you can sleep with an adult on top and bottom. Unlike the one we looked at previously, the No Boundaries, this does not have the door on the back. And these bunks look a little bigger, but there's no door over there. You got your thermostat for the same Coleman air conditioner that's on the roof. Satellite connections and plug, although I don't see a TV in here. There's USB connections throughout. Open it up again. We have a bathroom that's not a wet bath. So you got your Thetford foot flush toilet and then an actual shower. One thing you don't have in here is a vanity or a sink of any kind. So that's kind of weird. I guess you got to use the kitchen sink to wash your hands. So not really a big fan of that, but the colors are nice. It's got a lot of room. I mean, you got really nice drawers here. So specs on it. Let's see. Basically a dry weight of 3,082 pounds. Yep. And you can pick this one up for really about $15,000. So that's not bad at all. Guys, so kind of a no-frills camper, but on the other hand, it's affordable. It's easy to tow. It's nice on the inside. Got everything you need. That is for sure. All right, guys, again, we are coming to you from Three Way Campers. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. That's Home on the Hitch. Check us out on www.homeonthehitch.com. If you want to donate to help support the channel and help us keep making content, then you can do so. There'll be a link in the description below. And thanks. We'll see you next time. Home on the Hitch. Make every moment count.